guys, Dorothy here, and I'm here today to share with you my October design team project for Junk with Steph. In the description below, I'll put a link to, the kit that I use, the Winter Shimmer kit out of from Junk with Steph, as well as, all of the other information. So let's get started. Here's the cover. It has a jingle bell because I love bells. It is a 5/8 by 7.5 inch cover. It is made out of brown paper lunch bags. It has a fabric spine. It has a lace closure. So let's get started. And again, it was the Winter Shimmer kit from Junk with Steph. I'll try to hold up so you can see the cover. So again, there's the brown paper bag. Trying to make sure I stay in frame. Lots of cute little embellishments. I did leave this bag open on the side, so it sort of created a gusset, so there was more room in case you wanted to stick more in the big pocket. I have where you can either, write your to-do list, a menu, write a letter to, friends and family. There is the back of one of the papers of the kit. And again, I kept that gusset open so you could fit lots of stuff back there. So I'll pull this out. There's the brown paper bag, and I made sure I sort of cut this short because I wanted to really showcase the brown paper bag. I thought that was sort of a, just a neat look. So there's that. And in the pocket, we have 2 recipe cards. These did not come with the kit. These were just ones that I had. So there's 2 little snowman recipe cards. I love those. I thought they were adorable and went perfect with the kit. There is, this is like a Polaroid slide where you can put your date. I just put Mary up there and figured, if you wanted to put a picture, you could cover it up if you wanted to. Place the journal and one of the back papers. This is a Santa's list booklet, and there's multitudes of lists. So you could do, actually do shopping lists. Because this is what I pretty much thought of this would be more of a planner, to plan for the holidays, things that you would need. There's a front of the signature. There's one signature, so try to make sure you can get in frame, make sure you can see it. There's that, some stenciling, tea dye, some lace. This is actually scrapbook paper, but it really went with the kit well. And again, there's some inking on the back. This is a Frosty the Snowman page. And there's a small stocking charm. Again, the back of that Frosty the Snowman page. Again, there was a lot of these pages I didn't do anything on because I'm a planner, so I'm a list maker. So, if I was planning, I would want lots of room, to write. If you're doing, Christmas wish list, you're writing what you got for each person, your recipes, all that kind of stuff. So I did leave most of the tea-dyed blank for that purpose. There's a little gingerbread man, a little pocket, 2 little inserts that are inked on the back, and the tea-dyed page, music page. And I loved how this, it had the coloring. And, then the red, I just thought it sort of went. And I love that rough edge. So I just sort of left that because I don't know, I liked the way that it looked. Another tea-dyed page. A Let It Snow page. A scrapbook page with some stenciling. Blank page. Winter Wonderland. And some ink on the back. Lots of room. Another piece of lace. Paper doily. Snowman and lots of journaling room. Another little list and season's greetings, some stenciling. and the doily. Small tag, and there is a room back there if you wanted to put something there. Winter Wonderland. It says gifts. This almost creates like a small tab on the pocket. Two little paper gingerbread people peeking out from behind. And they've got glitter glue on them, so they're sort of nice and shiny, sort of glimmery like gingerbread icing, a little top of fabric. This is an altered paper clip. Just to slide on that page to hold, you know, extra paper or whatever. Some lace. That's the other music page. Some ribbon, some paper. There's another small inked up letter. And I did leave a lot of this, you know, a lot less embellished as I normally would, because, you know, it's Christmas. You're going to have pictures and you're going to have wrapping paper, and, you know, I like saving all that stuff. So, you know, I could fill this up easily. So I didn't want to overcrowd it where you really couldn't add from your own personal holiday in there. So do not open till Christmas. And we'll tag. And back of the music paper, another tea-dyed, a small penguin. He's so cute, and there's some stenciling on there. Back of the gingerbread. There's the other side of that Frosty the Snowman stocking. And a tea-dyed page in the back of the signature. And like I said, to me, this is like something I would throw in my purse. I would take it to the store with me, you know, so you'd have your list. And well, that is a Christmas morning. There's a big pocket in the back. And there's another one. 'Tis the season. May the Christmas spirit find home in your heart. With a little stamping on it. And those were all of the stamps came from Stampin' Up! Peaceful Pines was the set that it came from. So in here there's a Winter Wishes. Silver embossing on it. There's a little small stocking, a small bit of lace. When I think about the word shimmer, which, you know, the kit was Winter Shimmer. Merry and bright. 10 things I love about winter. And then there's the back. So, like I said, you know, it is small, but to me it's, you know, a small planter, or, you know, if you want to use it for like a December daily, you know, that kind of thing. It would be perfect for that, where you've got lots of room to journal, because in December so many things happen. So we're all pretty busy with things going on. So anyway, I wanted to share again my design team project for Junk with Steph. All the links will be below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.